I'm Alli Kohlstedt and I'm an AASPIRE intern. I am going to school for civil engineering at UW-Platteville. I've learned how to communicate about projects that I might be working on, or just sharing and being willing to share about what you're doing and maybe why it's happening, if it's a public construction project. There's always people wondering what you're doing, why you're doing it. Being able to explain that in typical everyday people terms that don't have a background in engineering is important.
My favorite part about having an AASPIRE intern is really exposing them to all the parts of engineering. We have over 200 staff members, but it totally varies from maintenance workers, field workers, construction inspectors, engineers, entry engineers, architects, construction managers. So in this internship, I really want to make sure that whoever the intern is, that we're catering to what they're hoping to get out of it. Maybe they're an entry engineer, maybe they're an entry communications person, maybe they're just interested in local government. I just try to expose them to as many areas of engineering, and then I try to tailor it to whatever they actually like to do.
The meetings with the engineers started very general. They would explain their position, what department, since engineering division has a lot of different sections. They'd explain what their role in that section was, and then they would kind of deep dive into a specific project that show me like the plans for it and explain why it was important and how they got there. When I was with the construction inspectors, I got to just follow them along during the day. They were obviously working, they were doing their job, and I got to see what they do, ask them questions, and same with the Vactor. And the newsrooms, we got to see a live show.
This year is a little different. It was the first year that we've had an actual engineer do the communications. This is really a good learning opportunity for me as a communications professional in construction and engineering world. And I think it's also a really great opportunity for any entry engineers to understand how public they are when it comes to working for a local municipality or designing for a local municipality. You're not just behind a computer screen, you're actually intersecting and interfacing with the community a lot. Public meetings, posting on the internet, working with your comms person, all sorts of different areas that cross with the public that kind of pull engineers out of their standard, maybe stereotypical designed box.
So I definitely say apply, because especially if you're early in your engineering career and still aren't really sure what you want to get into, it's a great way to connect and learn about the different types of engineering.
This internship can prepare and expose interns to a variety of areas, and it's really a fun, different way to add to your resume with incredible value and a great opportunity to learn about your community.